will make a nice leather plier. Call it a plier holster. Something you can put on your utility belt. Alright, cut out a piece of leather. I think that'll work perfectly. Alright, let's get out the old leather kit. Alright, we broke out the Barge all-purpose cement. Alright, you definitely want to use Barge if you're doing a leather project like this. Let that dry for about 15 minutes, unless you got a heat gun, so you can speed up the process. Alright, using my leather punch tool, I put some holes in here, so I'm going to stitch this up. And I put also a thing here, look like a nice design. Make it a little different, yeah. Got some muslin thread with a stitching needle. I'll stitch that up. Belt loop. Alright. Belt loop, I'm going to kind of put on a slight angle, like that. So it'll cock the pliers forward a little bit. I think that'll work well. belt loop. Layer attached. Now we're gonna stitch it. We're gonna make some holes so we can then stitch it. Alright, so we got that holster for our pliers. We aged the leather a little bit, or antiqued it. I like the way that looks when it's antiqued. Okay, so it doesn't look brand new, even though it is. Use a heat gun on that. That's just beeswax I was applying to that. And see, gives it a nice antique look. Oh, I like it. Alright. I've got a utility belt here, 1-inch utility belt. Yeah, that works. Oh, look at that. Plier in there. Oh, it fits. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That's snug. It was made for it. Custom made for that plier, that World War II era plier. I think it's a perfect holster for it. Alright, here it is. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed the extra leather work. And I really enjoyed doing this project, and we'll see you soon.